I really don't like early mornings, but one thing you probably do know about me is I love gaming setups. I've always made videos about my gaming setups. It's just something that I've always loved ever since a young age. One thing I've always wanted to do, mainly for my subscribers, is help subscribers in need that don't have gaming setups. Go and build them for them. And if you would like the chance for me and the team to come down to your place and build your setup, just upload a picture of your current setup to Instagram with the hashtag PredatorDreamPC. I can't believe I finally said it. I'm helping subscribers build their gaming setups. And today, we're going to London to see Keenan. Okay, so there literally isn't a single person on this tube. I am almost at destination right now. I am really, really excited to hopefully build some awesome setup today. Hello!
How's it going?
Good, mate.
Welcome.
Welcome, bro.
How's it going?
Good, mate. Good. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
This is what we're working with.
Yeah, look at this back. Wait one second. Let me just fix it.
It's literally a laptop
There
setup.
you go. Yeah, but look, I'm a bit innovative here because look, using my mouse pad, I'm going around and I'm like, oh yeah, I need to write a note quickly. Let me just write a note.
Oh, to be fair, you know, I can get behind that.
Playing like this, if you spin that way, I like sometimes I sit like that whilst I edit. Sometimes.
There's no way.
But it's more. It doesn't feel right, and it's like what? It's literally more comfortable at times than the grey. But
you actually can't get yourself under the desk.
No.
Like, can you? Like,
I'm innovative, so I can write my notes as I'm playing, and I can put it back on. Boom.
that's the only innovative thing I've seen so far.
I like it.
Along this whole setup. I mean, to be honest, mate, I really don't think there's any coming back from this or modifying this to be anything near like what you would want it to be. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think it all needs to go, as long as that's good with you.
Yeah, I agree. I think I agree.
Including the desk and everything.
Oh, that can go. Can we just do this bar?
Get rid of the bar.
Oh my goodness.
And we start this entire thing again.
Brand new, fresh. Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Alright, great. That's great. Let's go. A little bit.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the man, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top.
Okay, so desk is up. Now, as far as I would do things, in my ideal world, I put the monitor on the monitor arm and then attach the monitor arm to the desk, and that way we can route a lot of the cables through this monitor arm, rendering them unseen. So I'm gonna start unboxing this stuff, but we've got some cool lights to put up later, which I think we're gonna put on this wall.
Okay.
So could you make a start on like tidying this mantle a little bit?
Easy, I can do that. No
and I'll
problem,
get this
no
stuff
problem.
out of the box. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge, bro.
You're from a laptop screen, and this is so
Like,
good.
what's this gonna look like on the desk? Like, look at this. It's absolutely massive.
Fantastic.
So I'm gonna need some of your help, bro, to sort of hold the monitor in place, and then what I will do is come in with the screwdriver and screw in the monitor to the actual arm itself.
Understood. Let's do it.
Let's get it. I've got my rookie here.
How's it going?
I'm teaching him how to install a monitor onto a monitor arm.
I'm a natural. I'm a
going
natural.
well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright. Look at this. Ooh, your turn. Your turn.
Sweet, okay then, so now that's done, what do you say next? PC? You know what I'm really shocked about?
Ooh, what?
It's actually tiny, bro.
PC used to be massive.
I'll give you them for now.
Ooh.
Right, these are the Nano Leaf smart panels, and I think these should go on the wall.
Yeah.
So we need to do this now whilst the desk is out.
Bro, I can't believe how bright they are.
I love that. That looks so good.
I love that. That is so... Oh. I can't stop looking at them.
I know, but we've still got loads more work to do. How about you grab some of the peripherals, mouse and keyboard, and I'm going to get this PC plugged in and all cable managed into the power.
We're running this bad boy.
Let's do it. So, this keyboard should have Cherry MX Blue switches on it, so once we get it out of this little wrapper... Oh, you can hear it already.
Bro!
Mate, through the wrapper. Get it out of that wrapper, we'll give it a little tap.
Whoa!
Right then, mate, new gaming chair. How's it feel? I mean, the thing is with this, mate, is you can sit at any height you want, and you're not going to hit your legs under the table. I mean, give it a go. Put your legs under the table, man. Like, this was a big issue before, wasn't it?
Here we go. First time ever.
Look, he's got all the room
Look at that. Go all the way
in the world.
This is me at 4 AM. Oh, brother. No way. That's so good.
I think he's happy. That is a bit of an upgrade from the half chair that you had.
Oh my god. Oh, wait. Whoa. I'm not even enjoying it for a minute. Oh, yo. These... I'm actually... Okay, I'm noticing... I'm already noticing how much better... All right. Fair enough, this is really good.
Mate, enjoy the setup.
Thank you very much, man. I owe you one.
Enjoy it. What game are you going to be playing tonight?
A bit of League, maybe. I don't know. Maybe
My
a bit more
guy.
Rocket League until I get angry. But then I can just sit comfortably.
Yeah, under the
relax,
actual desk.
Stare at the lights for a bit. Maybe fall asleep.
Well, you enjoy it, my bro.
I will.
And I'll see you soon.
I appreciate it.
Cheers, bro.
See ya. Have a safe trip.
Bye, guys.